Life is a whirlwind of activity. We are constantly bombarded with information, deadlines, and demands. It's easy to get caught up in the chaos and feel overwhelmed. But there is a way to find peace amidst the storm: mindfulness. Mindfulness is about being present in this moment, without judgment. When we practice mindfulness, we tap into a deep sense of calm and clarity. I remember a time when I was struggling to cope with the demands of work and family life. One day, a friend introduced me to mindfulness meditation. To my surprise, I found that mindfulness meditation had a profound impact on my well-being. It helped me to slow down, become more aware of my thoughts and feelings, and respond to challenges with greater ease and clarity. Mindfulness is about paying attention to the present moment. Our minds are constantly racing, jumping from one thought to the next. We worry about the future, ruminate about the past, and get lost in a sea of to-do lists. But when we practice mindfulness, we learn to step back from this mental chatter. Imagine your mind is like the sky, and your thoughts are like clouds passing by. You don't have to engage with every cloud that floats by. Simply observe them, acknowledge them, and let them go. This is the essence of mindfulness. The benefits of mindfulness are numerous. Research has shown that mindfulness can reduce stress, improve focus, enhance emotional regulation, and promote overall well-being. When we are mindful, we are less reactive to stress. We learn to respond to challenges with greater calmness and clarity. Mindfulness also helps us to develop greater self-awareness. This awareness allows us to make conscious choices rather than being driven by unconscious patterns of behavior. In a world that is constantly urging us to do more, mindfulness offers a much-needed antidote. Mindfulness in action. Simple practices for daily life. The beauty of mindfulness is that it can be practiced anytime, anywhere. You don't need any special equipment or training. One simple way to practice mindfulness is to focus on your breath. Find a comfortable seated position, close your eyes, and bring your attention to the sensation of your breath. Notice the rise and fall of your abdomen, the coolness of the air as it enters your nostrils, the warmth as it leaves. As you focus on your breath, thoughts will arise. Simply acknowledge them and gently guide your attention back to your breath. You can also practice mindfulness while engaging in everyday activities, such as eating, walking, or washing dishes. By bringing mindfulness to these activities, you can transform them into opportunities for greater awareness and presence. Real-life transformations, stories of mindfulness in action. Over the years, I have encountered countless individuals whose lives have been transformed by mindfulness. One story that particularly stands out is that of a young woman named Sarah, who was struggling with anxiety and panic attacks. Sarah had always been a high achiever, but her anxiety was starting to interfere with her work and personal life. After learning about mindfulness, Sarah decided to incorporate it into her daily routine. She started with short meditations and gradually increased the duration. She also began practicing mindfulness during everyday activities, such as showering, cooking, and commuting. To her surprise, Sarah found that mindfulness had a profound impact on her anxiety. Over time, Sarah's anxiety decreased significantly, and she was able to reclaim her life. Sarah's story is just one example of the transformative power of mindfulness. Conclusion: embracing mindfulness, one breath at a time. In a world that is constantly demanding our attention, mindfulness offers a sanctuary of peace and clarity. By cultivating mindfulness, we can transform our relationship with stress, enhance our emotional well-being, and live more fully in the present moment. The journey of mindfulness begins with a single breath, a single moment of awareness. There is no right or wrong way to practice mindfulness. The key is to find what works for you and to make it a part of your daily routine. So, I invite you to embark on this journey of self-discovery and embrace the transformative power of mindfulness in your own life. Be present, be mindful, be at peace.